everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preshy Godwin. In today's video, I'm going to take you to a legit website where you can make money only by writing a review. And I'm going to take you step by step on how you're going to register on this website, how you're going to write this review, and how you're going to make money. So please do stay tuned to the end of the video so that you won't miss out any vital information. If today is your first day of visiting my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, you'll be updated. You type in www.g2.com, then it will bring out this result. You have to click on it. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the dashboard. Alright, this is the dashboard. Now when you come to this place, you scroll down. You see there are many services here you can review, because this is really a review website where you can review some companies to get paid for it. So there are many services you can review here. Asana, Smartsheet, it depends. Anyone you know very well, then you can write a review on. So this one particularly now is for project management. If you don't like any site here or any platform here to review, you can easily go to video conference. When you go to video conference, you still see some sites you can review, like Zoom, Skype. I know all of us, we should know those one. Microsoft, we know it, so you can write a review about it if you're using it, and you will be very detailed on whatever you're going to write here. This is marketing automation. So it just depends on which one you know you can write a review on. Online backup, you can write a review on it if you know anything about it. E-commerce platform, you can write a review on it if you know anything about it. You can easily write a review on it. So after checking and looking for what you really want, what you have to do is to come down, scroll down to this place they wrote write a review. You click on it. Have some steps to complete for you to get this money, for you to get paid. So you have to select, you leave a review, you share on LinkedIn, you finish it. That is the finishing part of it. So as here, for example, now we want to review on, you can easily review on any of these, whether advertising or e-commerce, any of these sites or anything you feel like to review on it. But let's go to information technology. Alright, in information technology, if you look at, there are so many sites you can review here. There are so many of them. Okay, for example, you want to review Skype. See Skype there. Anything you want to review, you can find it here, depending on the one you want. You see they have a lot of websites, or let me just call it websites or companies that you can review on, to tell people how they work and to make people to have trust on them and patronize them. So that is the essence of these reviews here. So let's click on Skype. You go to continue. Alright, this is Skype now they say write a short review on one of the product you choose. Now we've choose Skype, so we have to write a review on Skype. You click on review. You continue with here. Now we're going to log in. So you continue to log in. Before you can start to write the review, you have to register. Now we're going to register with, either you register with LinkedIn or you register with Google Business or email business. So you just choose any one you like and you register with it. Fine. When you put in your registration, they're going to send you a code to your email. So you have to go back to your email, find the code and register. Let's go to the email and check for the code. For them to confirm that you are the owner of the LinkedIn account you're logging in with. Alright, when you open the LinkedIn email they sent to you, what you have to do is to copy the code and go back to LinkedIn to put it in. You have to copy the code. If you don't know how to copy, you just click on it, right click and press copy. It's very easy for everybody to do it. So we are going back to LinkedIn now to put in our verification code so we can continue. Alright, now it has been registered. As you can see, they say LinkedIn G2 allow. We have to click on allow for us to register properly in G2 before we start writing our review. This is the questions they are going to ask you there. You have to write a review like the one you want to write now. Like as we choose the Skype, we have to give a rate from 0 to 10. 0 is not likely, 5 is neutral, 10 is very likely that you can recommend it for people or colleagues. Look at how likely is it that you will recommend Skype to a friend or colleague. So if you put 10, that is very likely. If you put 0, that is not likely. If you put 5, that is neutral. So now we're going to use 9. Let me use 9 because I use Skype a lot and it's very good. So what you have to do here is just to type in your title. You can just put in title, Skype has been helpful. Skype has been helpful to me. A little title, Skype has been helpful to me. So complete all questions about to submit your review. Click next to share more insights about Skype. So this is next. We are going to next. Okay, now we're going to write what you like about Skype. And to write what you like about Skype, if you don't really know what to write here, what you have to do is you go back to Google and you just type in G2 review. You click on it. Once you come back to the platform, then you go to video conference. You go to video conference. As you can see, there are so many reviews here that you can use. You click on Skype for you to have an insight of what you're going to write on your own review. Let's wait for it to open. Alright, when you click on Skype now, you can easily scroll through other people's review and know what you're going to write on your own. Okay, look at this one. This is excellent voice call and video calls. You don't have to, remember they don't support copy and paste, so you don't have to copy and paste. What you have to do is to look at what others are writing and you get the idea and use and go and write your own. It's very simple that everybody can do it. So let's continue from where we stop. So as we're going to next, then we've already written the title. So what we have to do is to start typing. What do you like best? You just have to start writing it. Maybe Skype has been helpful. I use it for webinar or so many of things they use Skype for. So you just have to write it there. After that, you write what you dislike about Skype. After that, you click next. The next, now you're going to submit it. When you submit it, then you get paid for it because you're going to fill in your requirements so that you get paid for it. Guys, that is how it is. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated. Thank you.